Can I turn around now? You look incredible. I'm tearing up already.
I don't get to get brown makeup on me.
Well, you shared it with a classic work relationship. Annie working behind the bar and you were in the office row. Had the potential to be a scandalous partnership in the hospitality world. Office job was your gateway to residency in Australia, so you needed to be on your best behaviour row. So you started that job, and that was your mantra: Ro, behave yourself. Ro, behave yourself. And that all went out the window quickly. When your manager introduced you to Andy, Ro, you remember very clearly looking at this confident, blue-eyed, cheeky chap while he shook your hand and thinking to yourself, shit, I'm in trouble.
Don't promise him, little bastard. Oh, look at the little one. Wow, I can't believe today is the day. I know you will be sparkling with beauty as you always are. An infectious smile on your face and champagne in hand. You are the most amazing partner, best friend, and beautiful mother to our 2 cats, who I know you miss dearly. I cannot wait to see you today and celebrate our future life together. Love you always. Oh, that's so sweet, and now I feel bad for being an asshole. Oh my god. Choosies.
Oh my goodness. How did I produce such a beautiful woman? You like it? Just a little. Good.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, look at your chest. Oh, Dad.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
1901. An old auntie.
Really? Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks, Dad.
So, I thought you might like that. It's pearl and enamelled, I guess.
Thanks, Dad.
You're looking beautiful.
I like your trousers.
Yeah. I'll show it to the camera. I hope you weren't expecting a soppy card. How exciting. Here we are. So I'll simply say you're my best friend and I can't wait to marry you. PS, don't expect my handwriting to get any better. PPS, love you. That's awesome. That's so good.
That's funny, yeah, that's so weird.
I remove the hand fast, but this bond will be tied forever. These threads woven throughout their lives as husband and wife. Your hands up, please.
I promise not to be sneaky and order any more unnecessary cat toys online and run any future cat toy purchases by you first. On the topic of cats, I promise not to get you drunk and coerce you into buying another one. However, if there was a promise I'll fall short on, it'll be that one.
I promise to inspire you to be the best person you can be, just like you always do for me. And lastly, I promise that I'll love you even more than you love our cats, which I know is a lot. I, Andy, accept you, Ro, to be my wife. I give you this ring as a token of my love.
I, Ro, accept you, Andy, to be my husband. I give you this ring as a token of my love.
You are now husband and wife!
The camera.
To my wife, you are the most amazing partner, best friend, and beautiful mother to our 2 cats, who I know miss you dearly. I cannot wait to see. Oops, I've already. I copied that from somewhere. You have looked amazing today, and I cannot wait to celebrate our future life together.
I've never seen 2 people so well suited together in terms of the bond that between them. I saw it in 2018 and was blown away by how close they were. And I'm delighted the 2 of them have found each other. I couldn't have wished for better.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
That's
Oh my God, good job.